Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we are introducing the new MOTO line. Right now we have our 2018 ZFORCE 1000. Awesome. This is the most awesome side-by-side you've never heard of. Thing comes with a twin cylinder 1000cc liquid cooled fuel injected engine, CV Tech automatic transmission with locking differential. This thing is loaded with features: fully adjustable suspension, preload, rebound, compression damping, 14-inch aluminum alloy rims with Stag off-road tires. Everything you see on this awesome side-by-side is standard equipment, including a trailer hitch, 3,000-pound winch, LED headlamps and tail lamps, roof, side mirrors. But the thing is loaded. Powerful 79 horsepower, only $13,999. Everything you see standard. You're not going to believe this thing. Automotive paint, aluminum bumpers front and rear. We're really excited to offer this for this $13,999. Come by, check it out. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. We're gonna demo it. It's automatic transmission, super easy to drive, key start, tilt steering, locking steering column. It's got the LED lights in the front, custom seats. It's got a horn, standard equipment horn. Check out the brake lights, really bright. There she goes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.